Is your Camaro disconnecting from Apple CarPlay or failing to launch entirely? Data shows that 80% of infotainment glitches are actually just simple cable or software hiccups. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to get your connection back online. Start by inspecting your cable and clearing the existing device profile from your Camaro's infotainment settings. If that fails, look for these three common culprits that often interrupt the handshake between your phone and the car. A soft reset of your Chevrolet MyLink system can often clear out hanging processes that block CarPlay. Most issues are DIY, but if the USB port itself is loose, you might need a professional hardware replacement. The cost varies wildly depending on whether you are just buying a new cable or replacing the car's internal hub. Cleaning the port with compressed air and checking for official Chevrolet firmware updates should be your final diagnostic steps. Keep these items in your glove box to handle any future connectivity hiccups on the road. Always remember that the simplest solution is usually the right one when dealing with infotainment systems. If these steps fixed your Camaro, hit that like button and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.